Whenever it starts, I close my eyes and listen. I hear the same lonely sound. Things are not always what they seem to be. Much that seems evil can be good. For example, why don't they like the rain? This is so romantic and exciting, especially for two. Cold drops running down the body, thunderclap, bright flashes of lightning, wind flutters hair, the passionate embraces, warm lips, hot whispers. It's strange, why don't they like the rain so much? This smell of rain is the best perfume in the world. It has the freshness of the sea and the mist of 5 oceans, the smell of flowers in the mountain's forest. Yes, it is eternal, like the world, but at the same time, it is forever young. If I could become rain, I would connect to the heart of one person, as well as rain connects forever, separated heaven and earth. Rain is not just divine water. I think it is always some kind of sign.